How you doing? My name is Brian Martin. I'm the owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. I wanted to talk to you about how much it costs to remodel a guest bathroom. First, let's talk about what a guest bathroom is, or how we describe a guest bathroom. That typically is a bathroom that has a shower tub combo, and it's usually a little bit more narrow and smaller in size. Usually located in a hallway or in a Jack and Jill bedroom in the middle, or maybe even a master bathroom that's just a little bit smaller. So what we're talking about is a small to medium sized bathroom that has a shower tub combo. So how much does it cost to remodel that? It usually runs on average between $25,000 to $40,000. Why such a range? Well, on the lower side, if we keep all the plumbing and electrical the same place, then we can usually stay on the lower part of that 25 to 40. Why would we be on the higher side? If we're changing the location of the shower or the tub, or we're installing custom vanities, custom tile, or any other more expensive fixtures. So we can work with you and design and build your bathroom to your exact needs and fit your budget. But on average, a guest bathroom costs between $25,000 to $40,000. If you have any questions, we'd love to talk with you further. Give us a call at 757-310-2926.